To hide apps on the home and app screen on your Samsung Galaxy M17e, you're going to begin by opening up Settings. In Settings, you're going to then scroll and select Home Screen, and then you're going to look for the option Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Select that. From here, you then have an apps list, so go ahead and choose an app that you wish to hide, and a section should form at the top letting you know which apps that you've selected. You can see the more you select, the more they're being added to that specific section. So go ahead and choose all of the apps that you do wish to hide. And then once you've selected them, you can tap on Done. If, for instance, you want to remove an app that you've accidentally added, you can just tap on the minus button like so to remove it, and then you can still select Done to apply the changes. So when you go looking for those specific apps, you can see they're no longer available for you to open directly from the home screen or from the apps drawer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.